In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your design in Canva. Watermarks are a simple way to protect your content and reinforce your brand without distracting from the main design. I'll show you how to create both a text watermark and a logo watermark and keep them subtle, clean, and professional. Start by opening Canva, logging in, and opening the design you want to protect. With your design on the screen, we'll create a text watermark first. Click Text and add a text box. Type your brand name or website exactly as you want it to appear. Choose a clean, legible font that matches your brand and keep the size modest so it supports the design rather than competes with it. Neutral colors like black or white usually work best, depending on your background. Next, soften it so it looks like a true watermark. Select the text, click the transparency icon, which looks like a little checkerboard, and bring the opacity down to somewhere between 10 and 30%. The goal is to make it visible but not loud. Heavier fonts often look good closer to 10 or 15%, while thinner fonts may sit better around 20 to 30%. If you want a bit more protection, you can rotate the text slightly so it sits diagonally across the design. This makes it harder to crop out while still keeping the look polished. If you prefer an image watermark, use your logo. Upload your logo, then drag it onto the canvas. Ideally, use a PNG with a transparent background so it integrates smoothly. With the logo selected, open the transparency control again and reduce the opacity the same way you did for the text, staying in that 10 to 30% range to keep it subtle. Now place your watermark where it makes the most sense. Tucking it into a corner is a nice, low-profile option that maintains the overall design. Centering it, especially on a diagonal, provides stronger protection because it's harder to remove. Adjust the size so it's present but not overpowering, and use Canva's guides and snap lines to keep it aligned. Make sure it doesn't cover critical content like faces, headlines, or key product details. When you're happy with the placement and look, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download. Choose the file type you normally use and download your watermark design. That's it. You've added a professional watermark in Canva quickly and cleanly, using either text or your logo with the right balance of visibility and subtlety.